Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, is one of the most significant yet underappreciated drivers of physical decline in older adults. It's more than just the result of moving less as we get older. It is a complex biological process influenced by hormonal shifts, cellular changes, and chronic low-grade inflammation. And while it was once seen as an unavoidable part of aging, science now shows that the trajectory of sarcopenia is highly modifiable. With the right interventions, it is not only possible to slow its progression but also to reverse aspects of it, restoring strength, mobility, and resilience. At the cellular level, sarcopenia involves both a decrease in the number of muscle fibers and a reduction in the size of existing ones, particularly the fast-twitch fibers that are responsible for quick, powerful movements. This is partly due to a decline in the body's ability to synthesize new muscle proteins, a process known as muscle protein synthesis, which becomes less responsive with age, especially in the absence of regular resistance training and adequate protein intake. What makes this different from simple disuse or sedentary behavior is that even active older adults, if not engaging in specific strength-building practices, can experience muscle loss due to these biological mechanisms. Hormones play a central role in this shift. Testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, all of which help stimulate muscle growth and repair, naturally decline with age. At the same time, older bodies often develop a state of anabolic resistance, where muscle cells become less responsive to these growth signals and to the presence of amino acids in the bloodstream. This means that even when older adults eat sufficient protein or engage in physical activity, their muscles may not respond with the same vigor as they once did. However, this resistance is not fixed. Research has shown that regular strength training and proper nutrient timing can help restore the muscle's sensitivity to growth signals, effectively retraining the system to behave more youthfully. Inflammation is another major player. A persistent, low-level inflammatory state known as inflammaging is common in older adults and directly interferes with muscle regeneration. Cytokines such as TNF-alpha and interleukin-6, which rise with age and certain health conditions, can actively degrade muscle tissue and impair satellite cell function. These are the cells responsible for repairing and rebuilding muscle after strain or injury. But this process, too, is modifiable. Anti-inflammatory lifestyle strategies such as regular physical activity, a Mediterranean-style diet rich in antioxidants, and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome have been shown to lower these harmful markers and support muscle preservation. What separates sarcopenia from general inactivity is that even individuals who maintain a relatively mobile lifestyle, walking daily, gardening, or performing household tasks, may still experience significant muscle decline if they do not specifically engage in resistance-based exercise. Unlike aerobic activity, which maintains cardiovascular endurance, strength training is essential for stimulating muscle growth and maintaining functional power. It is not just about preventing frailty. It's about preserving the ability to live independently, to recover from illness or surgery more effectively, and to withstand the physical stresses of life with more resilience. Perhaps the most hopeful message from modern research is that the biology of sarcopenia responds incredibly well to intervention, even late in life. Older adults who begin strength training can increase muscle fiber size, improve mitochondrial function, and even alter gene expression in ways that promote healthier aging. When paired with sufficient protein, especially distributed throughout the day, alongside nutrients like creatine, vitamin D, and omega-3s, the effects are even more profound. These interventions don't just preserve muscle, they help restore confidence, mobility, and quality of life. Understanding sarcopenia as a dynamic, modifiable process rather than an inevitable outcome of aging reshapes the conversation around health in midlife and beyond. It offers a roadmap for how we can take charge of our physical destiny by training smarter, eating with purpose, and respecting the incredible adaptability of the human body at any age.